want to show you, this is my house today in the morning. It's inside my house, and then this I can walk outside from here, and then you can see this is my fish breeding area here. And then today in Indonesia, I don't know what the season before it's rains. Today's the date is, I don't know the date. I want to check first. May 13, May 13, 20, May 13, 2020 today. This is my house. You can see it's raining now, and then I want to show you something special. This is my fish breeding area here. You can see one. This is over there, still baby fish. I think the age about 4 weeks, maybe 3 weeks. And I put milk inside over there. A piece baby fish and nila fish. I don't want nila in English. Maybe I have to check English dictionary maybe later. And over there, this is my fish breeding area. I have 3. 1, 2, 3. First, second, third. Okay, and then maybe I put the roof here. I made the roof here. It's good for the fish because if you get raining water, it's not good for the fish, you know. And then I want to explain to you about something. It's the chili plantation. This is chili plantation. I put inside over there. And this is chili plantation. I put inside over there. You know what about the point? I put chili plantation over there. You know, I plants now. I think it's has growing up about 3 months, maybe 4 months, 5 months. I don't know exactly. And here, you know, I put something like this. I get advice, I get inspiration from the YouTube before, and I made it, and then I plant the chili plantation here. It's good for the, I think, another point for us. And if this trees has the fruit, of course we can use it. And then over there you can see the babies of my fish. I want to show you. Maybe still baby fish. Maybe I can zoom. Can I check? Yeah, I think I put inside over there about 200 more baby fish. It's kind of catfish. I don't know in English, but in Indonesian we call it patin. Maybe I check first. And over there, I know maybe they have, I know they has hungry. They has hungry maybe. I'm not give them feed yet. Maybe later. I just want to show you. Yeah, it's okay. It's good. I think about 200 more I put inside over there. And in this banana trees I put inside because it's good for the water. clean water system. It's good for the clean water system because I use clean water system. And then this is my views today. Inside, I took video inside the rain. Maybe, yeah, this is my house yard over there. And you can see the mango trees. I don't know, maybe the rose flower maybe. And then I have it's not papaya trees over there. And still there's it's door of my house. This is the views today. I can share to you. Maybe the next video I will give you something special, more and more. This is the farm plantation. You know, in Indonesia, so many people plant the farm plantation everywhere. And now this I don't know, in this local trees. In Indonesian we call rambutan trees. I think in foreign area that you don't have this tree because only just in Indonesia only. For those rambutan trees, I have this is my fish breeding area. Over there, I have trees. I know this is my fish breeding area is close to my house. You know, this is my door. In the morning, I just wake up in the morning and go from inside. I go outside here, and then I can feed my fish from here, close from my door here. You know, now in still pandemic of coronavirus disease everywhere in the world, you know, because I think this is my fish breeding area is good for health, for my mind. I think because we can't go anywhere because the Indonesian government has locked down every district in Indonesia, including Tabo districts. I think everywhere because we can't go anywhere. We just sit down and feed this fish from here, from my door here, close from here. And I think it's for my mind. And then I think it's okay. I think it's just I can share video today. Maybe the next time I will share to you another video to you about Indonesian, about Sumatran unique nature. Don't forget, I will show you the next special thing. Okay, don't forget for subscribe, like, and share for the others this video, and then check our sky over there. Still cloudy. Okay, I think enough for today, and see you the next video. Thank you for the watching. Bye bye.